Hello everyone. So the next part is component types. So component types are basically logical and presentation. In the logical part, we had the logic part, and in the presentation part, there is only UI, which has no state and it does not have any logics. So component type. So component type is smart. We have states, and we also can change the logic. Like we have add a helper.js and function generate a random number to generate random numbers in the lottery, and which can be used to call by app.jsx. For example, let the root node be app.jsx and the child node be to child node be logical and presentation. So logical holds the ticket array, which holds the ticket number and which is passed down to ticket number, and then presentation holds only the UI, that is user interface. So how we can know is that it is a better component, and it has components part like props, states, events. So these three we should check before creating a component for a good projects. So props to pass value and states for to use of states, and events for event handling. So this is what we have covered in this part. So in this next part, we will write code on it. Thank you.